Right, how are we all doing? So, no week on the farm video this week because I haven't been at work. So, one of the things I have done though is gone out and bought some new Land Rover doors, which I thought I would make a quick little video about, and then I can put that up on Monday night. So it's Friday evening right now, and yeah, so basically I bought 3 new doors for the Land Rover Defender 200 TDI because the old ones are rusted out. I'll show you. So this one is quite bad, and all the alleys rusted along there. Back one is pretty bad, but then this is the worst one. I've already taken the door card off. It's actually really broken. Snap there. Snap there. It's already had a repair on it once before at some point. So, right. Yeah, these have been primed, but the back one has actually been painted, I think. Primed. Or maybe that's just black primer, I'm not sure. But I'm going to paint it anyway. Green. I'm going to put a plate on here to cover up these holes. So I got these doors from Inside Out 4x4 down at Dunsfold. So yeah, I had a little drive down there today and picked them up. And yeah, I actually found him advertised on eBay. So he's got a nice little 4x4 shop down there on a little family farm. And yeah, they were very helpful and got me these doors. So we'll open up the paint, and yeah, I'm just going to roller it on and see what it looks like. Got some green paint mixed up earlier on, and yeah, alright, I'll catch you in a bit. So I've just painted the first door, and I opened up the tin of paint, and the colour doesn't look quite the same as what I thought it did in the shop. When I looked through the book in the shop of colours, I thought I was getting this dark green, but I've actually got this colour green. That doesn't look very dark to me, so it looks more like John Deere green to me. So yeah, I'm hoping it's going to darken as it dries, but we shall see. At this rate, we'll end up having to paint the wheels yellow, pretend it's a John Deere. So I'm thinking we're just going to have to go with this colour. The paint isn't cheap, and I think it'll look quite good if I paint it all this green, and with the black wheels and that, and the black roof. I'll repaint the roof black, and these bubbles seem to be disappearing as it's drying. I was a bit worried about all those little bubbles, but they're all disappearing. So yeah, it might be alright. I'm warming to it. Okay, so what I've actually done is I've mixed in a bit of John Deere black paint in with this green paint what I brought, and to make it a bit darker. So you can see that door there, that's what it did look when it was dry, and then that's what I've just painted with this new darker stuff. So that's definitely better. That was just a bit bright. You know, it's more, that's basically a John Deere green, isn't that? Yeah, if you compare it to the Gator, it's the same colour. So, yeah, I think I like this one better. Okay, so I have taken the driver's door off in pieces. It's pretty knackered. And I've taken the back door off. And I've also had to order some runners and stuff like that because they're all knackered, and a window seal. But I thought I'd leave this one on so I can see how it all goes back together basically. All the lock and everything's quite complicated, so I thought I'd leave that one in. Still on. Right, so yeah, the paint's all dry. And then I'll have a go at sticking this driver's door on. So I'll let you watch for a minute or two. Right, so if you didn't already know, I actually brought this Land Rover as a bit of a project. It's not like I brought it for several £1000s and then found out I had to do all this work. I kind of knew it was going to be a bit of a project. Because it'd be boring buying a nice, a nice shiny one, wouldn't it, and not being able to work on it. Here's the screwdriver. I think I've got a bit of paint in the bolt hole. It is a 1991, not even sure if you can see what I'm doing, 1991 200 TDI, so 2.5 litre turbo diesel, 103,000 miles on the clock. In my eyes it's a classic. God knows what the new one's going to look like when they bring that out. I think anybody that used to own one of these for a work truck has all just gone over to pickup trucks now anyway, so if Land Rover do bring their new Defender out, they're too late. I think they've probably missed out on the commercial market. Everyone's gone over to pickup trucks or to a commercial discovery. Oh, I knew I was going to go in there. There's loads of paint in the bolt hole, and the bolt's a bit rusty too. I should have probably got some new bolts. Or cleaned up the bolts. Maybe I'll clean up the bolt a bit. Okay, so I got the door on. Well, I bolted it on anyway. But right now I want to paint the inside. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. And paint the hinges for the back door. I want to paint them black. So I'm probably going to cut this video off now because it's taken a pretty long time. I'm only spending like an hour each evening on it. And but maybe I'll make a part 2, which I'm sure you'll all look forward to. We shall see. I'll definitely make a follow-up video. Yeah, but eventually I'm gonna paint the whole truck. Whether I'll filler this or just rub it down and just paint over it, maybe. There's a bit of a dent there. But what I am gonna do is get a new wing for this side, because it's got the hole where the snorkel was, and dent there and dent there where it's already been fillered before. And then we'll paint the whole truck. Roof is going to stay black, wheels are going to stay black, all the hinges are going to be black. So yeah, it's going to look good, especially with this new darker green what I've made up. So yeah, alright, thanks for watching, I'll catch you later.